Have you ever poured your heart, soul, and wallet into building a custom PC? You spend hours researching the perfect processor, you stress over cable management to make sure the back looks as good as the front, and you finally get everything assembled. You step back to admire your masterpiece, peeling that satisfying plastic film off the glass side panel. It looks incredible, except for one glaring detail. There is a gap, a dark, empty void right in the middle of your motherboard. Most standard motherboards come with 4 slots for memory, but you, being a smart, budget-conscious builder, probably only bought 2 sticks of RAM. And now, those 2 empty plastic slots are staring back at you, making your high-end machine look just a little bit unfinished. Well, PC enthusiasts have found a solution to this problem. It is a piece of hardware that is technically completely useless, yet somehow totally essential for the perfect look. It is called dummy RAM. So let's break down exactly what this is and why people are actually paying money for it. To the naked eye, dummy RAM looks identical to the real thing. It has the same heat spreader, the same design, and it fits into the standard DIMM slots on your motherboard with that same satisfying click. When you hit the power button, if you bought the RGB version, it lights up and syncs perfectly with the rest of your system. But here is the secret. There are absolutely no memory chips inside. If you open your task manager, you will see that your available memory hasn't increased by a single megabyte. Your computer won't load games faster, and it won't handle more Chrome tabs. It is purely cosmetic. In fact, some manufacturers like Corsair have leaned into this by giving them a very transparent name, the Light Enhancement Kit. Now you might be thinking, why on earth would I pay for fake hardware? To understand that, we have to look at how we buy memory. As I mentioned, most motherboards have 4 slots. But for the vast majority of gamers and creators, filling all 4 slots right away is actually a bad strategy. Let's say you want 32 GB of RAM. You have 2 choices. Choice A is to buy 4 sticks of 8 GB. This fills all the slots and looks great, but it traps you. If you ever want to upgrade to 64 GB later, you have to throw away all 4 of those sticks and start over. Choice B is to buy 2 sticks of 16 GB. This is usually cheaper, and it leaves you 2 empty slots for a future upgrade. It is the smarter financial move, but it leaves you with those ugly, empty gaps that ruin the symmetry of your lighting. This is where the Light Enhancement Kit saves the day. It allows you to make the smart financial choice, buying only the RAM you need right now, while still getting the aesthetic benefit of a fully loaded system. It makes the computer look tricked out and powerful, masking the fact that you're running a standard setup. There is also a very serious economic reason why this is happening right now. We have to talk about the state of the market. As we move through 2026, the price of real RAM has gone absolutely through the roof. We are seeing price increases of nearly 400% in some sectors. Why? Because massive AI data centers are gobbling up the world's supply of memory chips to train new artificial intelligence models. This shortage has trickled down to us, the consumers. For many builders, filling those extra slots with real, functioning RAM just to make the PC look pretty is simply too expensive. It's hard to justify spending hundreds of extra dollars for memory you don't actually need. So dummy RAM acts as a placeholder. It's an aesthetic stopgap. You can buy the dummy kit for a fraction of the cost, keep your build looking clean and complete, and wait for the market to calm down. Functionally, these dummy sticks do have one job: they complete your RGB lighting ecosystem. If you have a lighting pattern that flows like a wave from left to right, an empty slot breaks that wave. A dummy stick bridges the gap, allowing the software to control the lights as if it were a real component. And if you really want to reach for a practical excuse to tell your spouse why you bought them, you can essentially call them expensive dust covers that keep dirt out of your motherboard slots. Just a quick warning: if you want to try this, you have to plan ahead. Not every brand makes these. You usually need to buy a specific model of real RAM like the Corsair Vengeance series to ensure there is a matching Light Enhancement Kit available. If you buy a niche brand, you might be stuck with those empty slots forever. It's a strange concept, buying hardware that does nothing. But in a world where PC building is as much about art as it is about performance, dummy RAM has carved out a permanent spot in the community. If you found this explanation helpful, or if you're currently staring at empty RAM slots in your own rig, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to share this with your fellow PC builders, and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into tech hardware. Thanks for watching.